Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. So I'm going to show you that I'm going to block my this profile. Click on three dots, click on block again. Okay, so now once I blocked, so I am unable to block that. So let me block from another profile. Click this, select my this profile, and let me block my this profile. Click on block. So once it is blocked, so I block this profile. So once you block that, there is no method that you can unblock because that is the choice of another person, and if that person want to unblock, he can do that, but there is no other option. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.